Drones can make you feel like a daring pilot or intrepid aerial explorer as you send them soaring through the sky and around obstacles. Spin Master's new Air Hogs Supernova is probably the first that will make you feel like a superhero, thanks to its built-in motion controls. The Supernova isn't the first quadcopter with motion controls. A few weeks ago, we reviewed DJI's Mavic Air, a much higher-end drone that folds up small and packs in a 4K camera. The hand gesture controls are a nice little bonus, but if you're buying the Air, you're probably more interested in flying it high and taking awesome videos. The Supernova is a low-cost, lightweight toy, and it's meant to stay near you as much as possible. There's no remote control or smartphone app. Instead, there are tiny infrared sensors on each axis of the quadcopter, along with a laser sensor on the bottom. You hover your hand near the sensors to get it to stay near you, or push it away with a quick wave. It feels a lot like having telekinesis as you command it to spin in a circle or make a rotation around you. Or you could always mime throwing glowing energy balls at your friends, thanks to the color-changing LED on top. It's the kind of thing that could be a big hit at parties, if you can master the gestures. It'll certainly take a little time to get it right. During my brief hands-on with the Supernova, I often found myself chasing it down, or waiting for it to come back as it wandered up toward the ceiling. In general, the drone will stick close to your hand and will stop wandering once it notices there's nothing nearby. It's generally good at avoiding walls and other large objects, though I got clipped at least once in the cheek. It didn't hurt at all, thanks to the flexible plastic cage that surrounded the Supernova and its spinning blade. It makes it look like something out of Star Wars, but it also prevents fingers from accidentally getting mangled the next time you feel like playing a game of catch with your $40 drone. The Supernova hits stores this fall,